welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna take you guys to Japanese apartment tour, and this is actually the Penthouse, and this apartment is located in Namba area, which is really convenient area for shopping, and also Namba station has a lot of access to multiple main station in Osaka. Wow, look at that. This is so beautiful, white, and so spacious. This is a stylish apartment built in 2007. This is a maisonette type unit, and the property is 75.71 square meter. Look at the spiral staircase. This is so stunning and so Instagrammable. And since this unit is south facing, we get a lot of sunshine with the big windows. And also this stairwell will bring you a lot of sunshine to the first floor. So here's the kitchen. You know, in a lot of stylish apartment, we don't usually get like really practical kitchen, but this kitchen has 4 gas stove, and also the sink is pretty wide and big, and also we get a lot of storages to store some seasoning and dishes, and this is pretty good. Wow, look at this bathroom. It's so sexy. It's see-through, but I can tell this is not just well designed, it's also practical. You get the shower head and you get the vanity place as well. See, this is how much you can relax in this bathtub. It's so wide and deep, and you can also put your wine here. So here is a laundry space. You can put your laundry machine here. You can just close the door and you can hide it totally, and you still keep the unit nice, so stylish. And here's the bathroom, which comes with a bidet, and there is a mirror and a sink to fix yourself. And let me take you upstairs. There's a big surprise for you. We got a surprise right here. Ta-da! We got jacuzzi here. You can totally chill in, and we also got the shower, which is very nice. And the best thing is you can fully open the window. It's so chill and so really nice. So we actually got one more surprise for you. Come with me. What's your step? Look at this. This is so great, so stunning. You get your own wood deck on the rooftop. This is so great, you know. The view is fine, and this is so precious, so spacious and nice. And it actually cozy, you know, in the middle of town. You get a wood deck. You can chill in here. You can do yoga or exercise, do whatever you want, and it's so crazily nice. So this is it. I hope you all enjoyed our video, and don't forget to subscribe us and give us thumbs up. And also we have Instagram account and a Facebook account, so if you like to, please follow us. And thank you for watching our video again, and see you next time.